Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last.
Good morning, guys. It's around 6 a.m. in the morning, so I've started with boiling the beans. I had soaked them overnight, guys. It's around 6. You can see even through the windows it is still dark, very early in the morning, guys. I doesn't have a nanny, so I just woke up and I felt like to boil the beans, yeah, because that is what we're going to have for our lunch. And then, you guys, I'm going to use my electric cooker there to cook the beans, to boil the beans. And then, guys, overnight we just ate chips, so I think we are very hungry with my toddler this morning. Yeah, so I want to make some sweet potatoes. I'll clean that sweet potato over there. Yeah, so that is what we're going to have for our morning breakfast. We are going to have sweet potatoes, some eggs and tea. Yeah, I was very tired at night, so we decided to have chips. That's why I've decided to wake up and make a heavy breakfast. I just want to cut it. I'm washing that sweet potato. I'm just going to cut it in pieces. You guys, the breakfast just for me and my toddler, guys. So my toddler is sleeping, so I've decided to wake up and prepare something before he wakes up, you guys. I think we never ate well at night, so yeah, I'm still going to steam. So for the steaming, I usually use those two pots, the one with water and that the steamer one. So with steaming is only like 15 minutes and the sweet potatoes are ready. So if you're new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of 3, dance content basically around my home, so hope you'll enjoy. Yeah, the other side I'm boiling my tea water. I usually boil the water first, so that's why I'm boiling the water for the tea. And then, guys, I've said it's very early in the morning. You can see when the sitting room, it looks kind of dark, so I just want to beat the curtains so that we can have that morning brightness. Yeah, so our area is very hot, guys. It's very hot. For the last 2 weeks it has been extremely hot, guys. Yeah, so I'm just going to beat the curtain so that we can have the lighting before the toddler wakes up. Yeah, for me, when I beat the curtains, I usually feel the day is good to go for me for the morning activity. So today is just a morning realistic day of a housewife. So hope you are going to enjoy. I'm going to clear everything that is over that sitting room. Yeah, guys, so we ate and left dishes over there. Katola just came back from school and then left the bag there. So it's on a Saturday, so guys, yeah, so I just want to clean it. It's not that dirty. Yeah, so I'm just going to wipe the tables and then sweep the carpet. Yeah, I'd clean the house, the whole house on Friday, so I'm just going to sweep the carpet and remove the little stuff that baby gonna throw there. So guys, hope you are enjoying this my making vlog. So if you are new, consider subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. And yeah, guys, it has been a while since I just show you the update of the flowers. You can see they have grown. And then, guys, I just want to beat the other curtains in the house. On this other side, I had bought some vegetables previous day. Yeah, so I just want to pack them and put them in their specific areas. Like that one is onions. I just want to put them there and then put them in their cabinet. So yeah, no more talking, just see what I did to our morning routine.
Try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will.
So guys, on the other side, I just want to prepare tea, and for our tea we are going to use cloves, and later on I'm going to make a egg omelette. Yeah, so that is what we're going to have for breakfast. Yeah, so stay tuned and see what I did to our breakfast.
Happy, happy tonight. for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know.
And so guys, my toddler loves bread with honey, so I got that 1 kg of honey, so I'm applying that honey and some pieces of bread. I'm going to apply Blue Band. Yes, so that is what we shall have for our breakfast this morning, guys. And then I'm going to use honey in the tea instead of sugar, so that I can have it, guys. So I love just a sugarless tea, so for today I'm just doing some little bit of honey. Yeah, and then it's me and my son, we are going to enjoy there over there. So guys, my toddler loves honey so much. So the sweet potatoes were ready, and that is what I served for breakfast. So hope you have enjoyed, and tell me more about this breakfast, you guys. So you hope you like, give this video a like, share me out if you can. On the other side, the beans are already, they are ready, so I just want to put them there, and then I'm going to pack them in the freezer, you guys. Yes, and right now I just want to show you what we had for our lunch. Yeah, so today is all about meal prepping in this home and sharing what we had in a morning until lunch. So if you're new, consider subscribing, and remember to hit the notification button so that when I post a video, the first one to be notified. So no more talking, just see what I did. Yeah.
Every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy.